welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. My name is Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to create 30 different faces for expressions that are cute and super easy. They are going to combine everything that we've learned in parts 1 through 4, I think now. So all you need is some paper and pencil. Let's doodle, guys. Hey guys, it's Alicia here. I am doing a voiceover for this video. It was not my plan originally, but the audio that I have wasn't working very well. So this is what you get. You get me. And you can see me gesturing like crazy, and I have no idea what I was talking about. So that's good. Today we are essentially taking what we learned in the past few videos and combining all of the elements to make some really cute faces. And maybe some not so cute faces. I don't know. It's been a while since I've drawn this, so maybe they're not that cute. But I did create a whole new person for this because I just kind of had enough with the bees, and for me it was weird putting noses and other things on them, so I thought a person would be a better template. So we're going to do a few faces. I literally took all of the eyes, nose, and mouths that I did on the bees, and I used them as reference. So I kind of looked at the character that I created, and I did give her like different hairstyles, and like, you know, this one's a little bit more fancy, or that one is a little bit more like frazzled. And I tried to find within my list, I guess, within all of my references, I tried to find faces that kind of fit the vibe of the character at whatever moment that I did them in. And I will say, I think some of the faces actually have like different eyes on them and different noses and mouths, so you might even get some more examples here, because I did do a bunch of different things that I know weren't originally on my list to begin with. So that's there. You can, you know, if you got a keen eye, you can see some new things as well. But yeah, so hopefully everybody is doing well. Feel free to let me know in the comment section below how your weekend is going. I am suffering from some pretty severe chronic sciatic pain, but other than that, things are going pretty good. I'm excited to go and meet a new puppy in the family, so that's always fun. But other than that, I don't have a lot going on this weekend, so hopefully I can just kind of work on this sciatic pain and try and get rid of it, because it really is, for anyone who has to deal with it, it's horrible. It's some of the worst pain I've ever been through. So I hope that there's no one else out there dealing with this, because it is really just unreal. And I've been dealing with this now. It'll be a year, like next week, that I've had to deal with this kind of pain. And hopefully I can get it better soon. I think I'm going to have to just bite the bullet and go to the doctor at this point, but we'll see. Other than that, I have nothing going on. And that doesn't sound fun at all. And it's not. So I'm hoping that maybe I can live vicariously through you guys if you let me know in the comment section below what you're doing for the weekend. And hopefully it's much more fun than mine, because I'm not living the dream right now when it comes to my legs and my back. But other than that, everything's going really good. I've been having a lot of fun with drawing. I've got several different videos that I've already filmed and have planned out that are different. I am doing some more like tutorial videos, but they are going to be like how to draw this, as opposed to like a broad range of look at this is how you can do certain things. So I have a video that I've already filmed on how to draw like certain characters and things like that, the way that I draw. And even looking at those things, they're actually different than even this stuff is. My style has actually changed a bit. I didn't really plan on it, and I didn't really think it was happening until it just did. And then I realized that looking at my stuff, I was like, wow, I'm doing things differently now, and it looks different, but I do really like it. So I'm hoping, hopefully everyone else will as well, or at least will still want to watch my videos. I also want to say thank you because I've reached over 200 subscribers as of this video. So that's amazing is what it is. I am shook. I'm so surprised. I couldn't believe it. I looked at my YouTube today when I was trying to get everything kind of going because I'm actually editing this as I'm putting it up, which is not normal for me, but I had some technical issues, so it is what it is. But I have over 200 subscribers and I couldn't believe it. So thank you so much to everybody who has joined, and if you haven't, feel free to subscribe and follow and all of that good stuff. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I am blown away. I can't even believe it. So that's really exciting for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I do have, as always, you can check out my website. There are tutorials there. There are free mandalas and other like coloring pages, things like that that you can download for free. I am working on a mandala book, which I would love to get finished. I probably, honestly, I don't really know how many pages to make it is kind of the thing. So I could do that quite, I could essentially have it done now or not. I just keep on adding to it, I think is maybe a problem. I don't know, but I figure more is better than less. So I am working on that as well. I have a lot of ideas that I would like to do with the channel and with my videos. I have a couple of challenges that I'm going to be doing. I think that'll be fun. And I'm thinking about starting a series on essentially like prompts, and then each week I don't really know. I found a book, so I'm like, maybe I could do this, but I want to kind of change it up, and I don't know how to change it up. So I'm still thinking about that. I still have my Discord is going. Not a lot of people there, so feel free to join so that we can get some excitement going. I would love to have like a big fun community where everybody can just kind of hang out and be friends and have somebody there to support you with your art and things like that. So if you are interested and want to join in, please do join our Discord. I would love to have you guys. What else is kind of going on? I don't have a lot. I mean, I do have a lot. I'm always drawing and things like that. So it's not that I don't have things going on. It's just I just don't know what you would find of interest. But yeah, so I don't know what this mouth is here, but there it is. I don't know. I had trouble with a lot of the open mouths. I don't know why, but I just couldn't, the tongue was not working for me. And usually it's fine, but I just couldn't make it work. So that is what happens, I guess, sometimes. And I just realized that I just kind of stopped talking just to watch my own video. So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. So, yeah. Oh, I think I do sunglasses. Yeah, I'm doing sunglasses, which is also fun. I did not show that in a past video. So, like, that wasn't part of any of the other ones. But this is funny. She kind of looks like a Men in Black or something like that. And, yeah. So I don't know if you are drawing along with me. Let me know. Feel free to tag me. I'm on Instagram more than anything else as far as social media goes. I'm on Instagram and TikTok, but I don't do a lot on TikTok aside from watch other people's videos. Because I'm only slightly addicted to that. But you feel free to tag me and show me if you kind of drew along with me, because I think it would be great to kind of see that. There are a lot of faces, and the best thing is, like, I think I don't even know how many. There was a lot. There was 2 videos just of eyes and expressions with the eyes and things like that, and then the noses and the mouths. When you put it all together, you can make hundreds of different faces. And you can do all kinds of different expressions, and it works for people, it works for animals, it works for all kinds of stuff. And I mean, objects even, because look, in Kawaii, we like to put a face on everything. So you could use these faces for anything and everything. the sky is the limit here. I will say it did get hard near the end because I wanted every face to be very different, and it does get to the point where I'm like, what haven't I done yet? Have I done this? Have I done that? And whoa, those eyes are... So it did get hard to do so many. I think too, if I had them kind of had my like cheat sheets spread out more, I just had them on my computer, so I was just kind of flipping back and forth between them all, and it did get a little bit hard near the end, but I did get quite a few, several in fact, faces that turned out pretty good. I don't know if I would use all of them, but they turned out pretty good. I can't complain. The only other thing I would say is forgive my noses, I guess. I did such weird noses, and some of them were so big, but I thought it was funny to do like tiny eyes with like a huge nose. I don't know why, but I did. I think I also did a few moles, but I love moles. I don't know what it is on characters, but also just on people. I once worked with a girl that had a mole on her nose, and I was obsessed with it. I thought it was like the best nose ever. I'm sure she hated her nose, but I was like, your nose is amazing. Who wouldn't want a mole on the side of their nose? It's such a witch move, and I love it. But as I said, maybe she didn't. I don't know. I'm sure she does. I'm sure she likes it. Who wouldn't? I think it's so great. So I apologize. I did put a lot of moles on my faces, but I really couldn't help it. They are great. So what can you do? But yeah, I will say if you guys have any suggestions on what you would like to see, what you would like, coming up, if there's certain tutorials that you would like, if you'd like me to show you how I create certain animals or anything like that, feel free to let me know. If there's any kind of fun videos that you want to see too, like if there's challenges or something like that that you know about that you think would be fun to watch me do, I can struggle through that. I am not great when it comes to challenges. I find that I do struggle quite a bit, but I'm more than willing to give them a go. I do have a couple on the go. I want to do the like blob challenge because I just think it's cute. And I want to do maybe like a draw this in your style challenge. They're probably my favorite ones. I have a lot of those on my Instagram because I just really enjoy them. I love being able to find beautiful work and then create it in my own style without having to think about a design concept idea or anything like that. I do enjoy that. So if there are challenges or anything like that you'd like to see me do, let me know. I've also been considering maybe doing like a live, a live session where perhaps we could kind of get together and we could all draw together, or I can, show you how to do different doodles, things like that. Maybe do like some speed tutorials or something would be fun. I was thinking about something like that. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments below. As I said, I have a Discord, so actually, I don't know if I've said that, but I do have a Discord and I would love you to come if you wanted to. So, there's that possibility of even doing like chats on Discord or something like that would be fun. I think anyway, but let me know in the comment section below. Especially if you've gotten this far, please do let me know, and feel free to join the Discord, as I said, and let me know your thoughts on there as well. There's not a huge amount of people there, but they're great, as well as all of you, so I'm sure it would be fun to have you all there. Some of these faces, as I'm watching, I'm going silent, I apologize, but I'm watching some of these faces and I'm just like, what was I thinking at that point in time? It was a while ago that I drew these. And some of them are legitimately scary. I don't know how to feel about some of them. But I guess it is what it is. I don't know why I'm making everything like super big and then like super tiny eyes or something. It's very weird. It's also really hard to draw on an iPad at the angle that I'm at, so I apologize if the eyes are either off center, or some of them are like one's higher than the other, and they get a little bit wonky. Eyes in general can be a little bit wonky, so it is what it is, I guess. But I don't know. Some of these are just, not my best, but they're an idea, so I guess that's something. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna kind of leave you here. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that it gave you some kind of idea on what you could do with the faces. If you haven't done my other videos before, if you haven't checked them out, go back, take a look at them. Use those. I'll put something up on my website, like a template or something, or maybe make it available on Discord or on my Patreon, and create faces along with me, and then use those templates as a way to kind of create faces in the future. But I'm gonna let you go now. I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day, guys. Bye.